Black Fan Gang. Here in the Black Fan Firearm Studio, got something for y'all. Y'all remember that P50 from Kel Tec, which was the pistol version that shoot that 5.7 and look like that space gun? Well, y'all, here we go again. This is that R50, and it's in the rifle configuration. That's why they call it the R. But you can also shoot it from right here, fold it. What I mean by fold it? Well, look here. It got a stock, y'all. So this is like a budget-friendly FN P50. So, and it also takes the FN P50 50-round mags. It come with 2 of them, y'all. But you know how I do it over here at the Black Fan Firearm Studio. Outfitted, kitted, ready for y'all to come get it. Got the vertical grip, got the bird cage on the front, the fiber optic flip-up sights, and the fire field optic that also has an external rear dot as well. Folding stock, come on, y'all. Don't play with this right here. 2852 Slidell Avenue, Black Fan Firearm Studio. Look at it. Get legal, get ready. Y'all,